Less than 2 weeks into office, US President Donald Trump has spooked almost everyone by imposing tariffs on Mexico, China, and Canada. In retaliation, Canada has already announced its counter tariffs, while Mexico and China are preparing to follow suit. Global stock markets have responded with fear and uncertainty. Investors quickly moved to buy dollars, sold off stocks, and expressed concerns about inflation, scrambling to assess the risks of a potential trade war following Trump's decision. Staying true to his tough stance, Trump signed orders imposing 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico and 10% duties on goods from China. For American families, this could mean higher prices across the board, from grocery aisles to car dealership, electronics, and even at the gas pump. Here's what to expect. Number 1. Higher inflation. In December, consumer prices rose 2.6% compared to the previous year. Now, if a 25% tariff hike is imposed on goods from Canada and Mexico, inflation could jump to around 3.2%, which is significantly above the Fed's 2% target. However, the Trump administration has downplayed the risk of inflation. They argue that higher tariffs would actually bring in more revenue to the federal government. Number 2. Pricier groceries. Grocery prices could be the first place consumers feel the pinch. Mexico provides almost half of the US's fresh produce imports, especially in winter. Over 80% of US avocados come from Mexico, and Canada is a key supplier of items like kidney beans and cherry tomatoes. Number 3. Impact on auto industry. The US, Canada, and Mexico have a complex network of factories for the auto industry. With a 25% tariff on imports, production costs could rise, leading to higher prices. Some auto parts manufacturers are speeding up deliveries or considering moving production to the US to avoid tariffs. General Motors, the largest US automaker, could feel the impact of tariffs more than other companies. Now that's because last year, GM plants in Canada and Mexico produced nearly 40% of all vehicles that the company made in North America. Number 4. Steel industry. The steel and aluminum sectors have long sought protection from low-cost overseas competitors. Domestic steel producers may support tariffs on Mexican steel and aluminum. However, US buyers might not agree, as tariffs in the past have led to rising steel prices. Number 5. Chances of reshoring. Tariffs could bring some manufacturing back to the US, but experts say it's uncertain. Economists believe Trump's use of tariffs might be more of a bargaining tool than a permanent strategy. Number 6. Rise in energy prices. New tariffs could lead to higher energy prices, including gasoline and home heating oil. Canada supplies 60% of US crude oil imports, and Mexico supplies 10%. Shifting away from these sources is complicated for domestic refineries. Number 7. Costlier electronics. Trump's tariff threats to China can impact consumer electronics like smartphones and laptops. An extra 10% tariff could lead to price hikes for these products. Now, how quickly can the prices go up? That depends on the product. Consumers could see a swift increase in prices for non-durable goods, including groceries. But it could take longer for prices to rise for durable goods like cars, thanks to the existing inventory, or if the companies are expecting the tariffs to be temporary. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.